What's up guys? How are you? We are listing top 5 best mini heat press machines for 2023 in this video. Know the product's price, any questions, or more products information from the link in the description. We are updating the best prices for the best products. So like, comment this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Now let's get started. Number 5, Slender. The Slender mini heat press machine for t-shirts and shoes is an excellent investment for anyone looking to personalize their clothing, shoes, or other items. This portable machine is small enough to fit on any desk or table, making it a convenient addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit. One of the best features of this heat press machine is its 2-in-1 capability. It can be used as a heat press for vinyl and other transfer projects, as well as a household iron for ironing out wrinkles in clothes. This versatility makes it a great investment for anyone looking to expand their DIY projects. The Slender mini heat press machine comes with 3 heating settings, allowing you to control the heat according to your needs. This feature is particularly useful when working with different materials that require different heat settings. The machine also has an indicator light that flashes and turns red during the heating process, letting you know when it's ready to use. Overall, the Slender mini heat press machine for t-shirts and shoes is a great investment for anyone looking to expand their DIY projects. Its 2-in-1 capability, heating settings, and portable size make it a versatile and convenient addition to any workspace. If you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly heat press machine, this is definitely worth considering. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 4, Cricut EasyPress. The Cricut EasyPress mini heat press is for small and intricate projects. This compact and lightweight device is designed to press small objects like shoes, stuffed animals, hats, and more. It features a precision tip and ceramic-coated heat plate for high-impact heat transfer results. With 3 heat settings, this heat press can handle a range of iron-on, HTV, infusible ink, and sublimation projects. The comfortable hand grip allows for supreme control and accuracy, even in hard-to-reach spaces. The device also comes with an insulated safety base and an auto-off feature for added peace of mind. The Cricut EasyPress mini heat press is compatible with major brands of HTV or iron-on materials, making it the perfect companion for Cricut smart cutting machines. It is also ideal for sewing and quilting projects. Overall, the Cricut EasyPress mini heat press is a great investment for anyone who needs to press small and intricate designs. It is easy to use, compact, and versatile, making it a must-have tool for any crafter or DIY enthusiast. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 3, Nakapa. The Nakapa mini heat press is a great option to consider. This machine is designed to work with sublimation ink transfer projects and heat transfer vinyl projects, allowing you to transfer photos or text onto various surfaces like t-shirts, bags, mouse mats, hats, and shoes. One of the main benefits of the Nakapa mini heat press is its portability. It's a small machine that can be easily carried around, which makes it great for on-the-go crafting or for those who have limited workspace. The package comes with an insulated base, a water spray bottle, and a small canvas bag, which all contribute to the machine's easy storage and maintenance. Another advantage of the Nakapa mini heat press is its 4 heat settings. These settings can accommodate different types of projects and materials, ensuring that you can achieve the best results without damaging your transfer surface. Additionally, the machine has an automatic shut-off function, which turns it off after 10 minutes of inactivity. This safety feature gives you peace of mind, especially if you tend to forget to turn off your appliances. Overall, the Nakapa mini heat press is a great machine for anyone who wants a portable and versatile heat press that can handle a variety of projects. Its size, safety features, and multiple heat settings make it a reliable and practical choice for crafters and hobbyists. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 2, PowerPress. The PowerPress HPM0000 Park Heat Press Machine Portable is an excellent choice for those looking for a larger size heat press machine that is still lightweight and easy to operate. This machine is perfect for a variety of transfer work, from making shirts for your family members to creating custom designs for your business. One of the standout features of this machine is the super sensitive touchscreen, which makes it easier and smoother to operate. The touchscreen also gives the machine a fashionable and modern appearance. The PowerPress HPM0000 Park also comes with 4 patentable pressure regulating springs, which work with a specially designed heat-resistant mat to ensure uniform and necessary pressure. This makes it easy for anyone, even a grown-up, to finish a transfer job with gentle pressure on one hand. Another great feature of this machine is the 3 layers of heat-resistant construction, which insulate the external casing from heat. Even after working 2 hours straight at a temperature of 355 degrees Fahrenheit, only a bit of warmth can be felt on the handle. The heating components also feature a shut-off function for overheating, which keeps your project from catching fire when pressed longer than expected. Overall, the PowerPress HPM0000 Park Heat Press Machine Portable is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality and easy-to-use heat press machine. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this machine is sure to meet all of your needs. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. At last, number 1, Cricut EasyPress 2. The Cricut EasyPress 2 is definitely worth considering. This compact and user-friendly device can handle a wide range of heat transfer projects, from t-shirts and tote bags to pillows and aprons, with pro-level results. One of the key advantages of the EasyPress 2 is its precise temperature control, which allows you to adjust the heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius, according to the type of material and transfer vinyl you're using. The machine also has a timer function, which makes it easy to set the right duration for each project. Another great feature of the EasyPress 2 is its advanced heat plate design, which has a ceramic-coated surface that heats up in under 2 minutes. This ensures that your transfers are done quickly and accurately, even if you're working with intricate designs or multiple layers of vinyl. To keep you safe while using the machine, the EasyPress 2 comes with an insulated safety base and an auto-off function that kicks in after 10 minutes of inactivity. This way, you can focus on your creative work without worrying about accidentally burning yourself or your workspace. Overall, the Cricut EasyPress 2 is a high-quality heat press machine that offers excellent value for money. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, you'll appreciate its ease of use, versatility, and reliable performance. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com.